So a financial model here, okay, each of sister and brother gets or pays the same amount of mahr, okay, one get and one pay, okay. At the moment of the marriage, the child that inherit will either pay mahr now and get double the inheritance share in the future, or receive mahr now and get half share of the inheritance in the future, as I just mentioned. Okay, the mahr will be invested. This is the mahr will be invested at the time of marriage. Okay. Lastly, we calculate how much inheritance amount should should both of them how much the inheritance amount should be to have both of them accrue the same amount of wealth at the time of inheritance. Okay, it's the same. It's stressing the same point. Okay, let us see. So again, let us we need to start with some numbers. A female and male sibling get married at age of 25. I put the same age. Again, it's simplifying. Okay, parents age 50. Okay, now she received 5,000 and he pay as mahr, and he pays mahr of 5,000. Okay. I have to have the number the same so to compare, just for comparison. Okay, she invests her mahr at 5%. Okay, quite conservative for 20 years. We are assuming here parents die a little bit early at the 70. Okay, all numbers could be changed, and I have actually the spreadsheet that you can have all kind of numbers. Okay, inheritance occur after 20 years of marriage. Okay, if the inheritance amount is 30,000, or small amount, he gets 20 and she gets 10. Okay, but let us see. She had received, okay, from the inheritance she got 10. She had also $5,000 her mahr. If she have invested the mahr in with at 5% return, that would amount for 8,000 something after 20 years. The total is 23.
I think you should put it, Yaqub Tallo should put in Amana, you do much better.
in stocks, since 1926, historically it is 10%.
10%.
Yeah, but this is simplified.
Conservative.
He's being conservative.
Yeah.
Okay, and utilities,
Yeah.
That's the number I'm using in my book for comparison purposes.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's when it's
So the brother, okay, got 20, paid 5, foregone income. He didn't get the 8,000, so he ended up with 6,000.
Right.
Okay, so after 20 years, she is more. She has advantage over him. Okay. Okay. Let us see if we have different cases. How many brothers and sisters? Okay.
No, but wait a minute. I think there's Palestine or can you go back to that?
Sure.
Please? You're subtracting 5,000, which happened 20 years ago, from 20,000 to 20,000, which is happening now. We should also find the time value of that 5,000, which would be the same as the opportunity cost of that 5,000. So really, it's no longer 5,000. It is also 8,000 if you follow the 5%.
Yeah.
That's more fair.
But still, the model works. So
No, he has it. He's calling it foregone income. It's already in there.
8266 and 8266.
Oh, I said
Yeah,
8,000.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you got it. I'm sorry, yeah.
Brother,
Thank
you
you.
are talking about the advance mahr or the late mahr?
No, I'm talking mahr
Instant,
paid at the
instant,
time
yeah,
of marriage.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Go
He
ahead.
hasn't even put in the
المؤجل.
late mahr.
المعجل you're talking المهر المعجل.
Foregone income, yeah. Okay, yeah. More frequent. Okay.
Okay. Now this is another case, okay? Another case. This is 3010. This is inheritance amount 60. Okay, inheritance amount 79. Inheritance amount 90, and we find okay. Okay. So when the inheritance amount is around 80, given that the return is 5%, we have equal amount of wealth. Okay. So okay, I'll go further to see, okay, to have some kind of some trend, to see the trend here. Okay, and to me, okay, there is a female advantage in certain brackets, lower the lower bracket until a cut off line. Then there will be a male advantage that's giving it is one brother and one sister. This is a special case, and we will see now the combination of brothers and sisters and the number of siblings may make difference. Okay, so let us assume that inheritance occur after 20 years. If we have one male and one female, we need at least 599,000
Be fair and equal.
to be fair. Okay, any amount less, any inheritance amounts less than that, the male will be will accrue less. Okay, if we have one male, three females, we need 132,000 plus. Three males, one males, we need more money, 185,000 plus. Okay, three males and two females, we need to 212,000. Okay,
This is the size of the estate,
the size of the estate, exactly.
not the each share.
No.
Not each year, the size of the estate.
Yeah.
The size of the estate. Okay. Now here I will like again with the same consideration. Like here I change one variable. The variable is the number of sisters and brothers, the combination.
Yeah.
Here also I'm considering the years. Okay. So here for 20 years, one male and one female, we need at least around 80,000 to receive the same amount, the same wealth. If it is 21 year, the number is different. 25 years, the number is different. Okay, so here I'm like making the model more complex. Okay. So here's some conclusion. In a society where males pay mahr and females receive half of the share of their male siblings' inheritance from parents, the following could be said. Females in poorer families are better off receiving mahr and getting half of their brother's share of inheritance. See, because
Lower bracket.
because lower brackets lower brackets were more advantageous for females. In a family where with more males, female siblings are better off receiving mahr and getting half of their brother's share. Okay, and generally in big families, it is more advantageous to receive mahr. Okay, some more. Before some more conclusion, let us say, okay, where is the problem? Okay, you will say, okay, females are not inherited in the first, are not receiving their inheritance anyway. Well, but this does not apply to the original model itself. Does not take from the original model itself. Okay. Also, sometimes we do not give, like females are given the money, but they are the money is there theoretically, but they are not given control over their money to make decision whether to invest it or not. Or sometimes there is expectations or customs that, okay, you receive mahr, but you have to spend it on some on the house, on some furniture or something. Okay, so here's there's, I would say there's neglecting the concept of nihla, صدقاتهن nihla, exclusive grant, or if you have better translation, nihla. And here like the idea of being deferred, that the mahr could be deferred. Yes, but the asal is to be paid. Okay, so deferred is the exception of the rule. The rule is nihla. صدقاتهن nihla there. Period. Okay.